Hello and welcome to Design Cookie episode 9. So friends, today I am going to talk on false ceiling. So there are multiple things I need to discuss about false ceiling which can be of great help when you design your home. So friends, I am Ketan Sheth from Goldmine Project Consultant, MD and Principal Designer of the company. Let me start with the topic. While designing the home, there are multiple factors which we need to consider. We consider furniture, we consider flooring, we consider walls, we consider lights, we consider curtains, artifacts, and so many aspects. But at the same time, false ceiling is also equally important. We cannot ignore false ceiling. It is so important that it gives complete shape to the entire room of the house. So we definitely have to look the major aspect of the ceiling over here. So when we talk about the ceiling is the upper part of the house and we need to treat it very carefully. Especially there are areas where we have lot of detailing on the ceiling or intricate ceilings we create, but it all depends upon the overall decor of the room, volume of the room and size of the room. We cannot really restrict false ceiling only for the aesthetic purpose, but it has got the multi-purpose to have false ceiling in the room. Especially when we talk about the very important thing, it gives proper leveling to the ceiling. We normally see very much undulation on the existing slab of the house and false ceiling helps in that. The second thing, we can conceal the conduits and we can conceal the lights. Third thing, it can work very well for the acoustic purpose. So these are the things for which we really require false ceiling, and especially we do false ceilings not only in the rooms like bedrooms, living room, dining area, but false ceiling is equally important for kitchen as well as bathroom. But of course we use different kind of material for these two areas. So there are various factors which we need to consider to create a false ceiling. I have made some notes which I am going through it. So let me explain you in detail. Like, consider the space which I already mentioned. We do false ceiling not only in the bedroom, living room, dining and even balconies also we create a nice false ceiling, kitchen, bathroom, all these areas we really have to work very precisely. The kind of material we select is very important in false ceiling. I am coming to variety of the materials in the false ceiling, but we have to make sure when whatever false ceiling we create, it has to be maintenance free and easy to maintain as well. The height plays very important role when we talk about the false ceiling. When we have a smaller the height, we prefer to take a very plain and simple ceiling, and when we have a better heights in the room, then I don't mind creating different levels in the false ceiling and I can create the shapes to it. The second thing is, know your interior style. This is something very important. When you create a false ceiling, it is very important to know what concept we are carrying out in that particular room. There could be a European classic, it could be very modern, it could be very contemporary. So in these three areas, we can definitely play with the levels subject to our height. We can have indirect light which is called core lights, but now there is a trend which is of the exposed ceiling. Here the equation changes completely. Of course, when we say exposed ceiling, still we have to balance with certain amount of the ceiling. So that also maybe I can come up with the images and that will help you to understand much more better. Third is lighting positioning. Lighting also plays very important role while creating the false ceiling, whether we are taking conceal lights or how much space do we need to conceal the light fixtures. Second, to hide the conduits. Third is when we take surface lights which comes below the false ceiling. So how much false ceiling we need to really incorporate, that is also important. We had designed one house where we had very restricted heights, so our false ceiling was just to cover the or hide the conduits, and we had no space for the conceal lighting. So we had selected all surface lighting, and that is where this false ceiling gap also plays very important role. Third is core light, which is indirect light. We can play with the levels and we can create the core light, and that gives a very good ambience to the room. LED profile lights on the ceiling also give a dramatic look to the false ceiling. Coming to number 4, choosing colors. Okay, now this is very important. When we have a low ceiling, I generally prefer to have very subtle and lighter shades of colors, and I make sure that paints are also semi-glossy. At least that reflection gives little impact to the height, and when we have a real good height, I don't mind playing with the different colors. I don't mind even using the darker shade, and I generally prefer to have a matte ceiling, and especially when we have a core light, I strongly prefer to have a matte paint. Then acoustic ceiling. This is something very important for home theater, and especially when we have really good height in the house. There also it is very useful because of the echoes. It can reduce the echo or it can eliminate the echoes completely. We get fantastic mineral fiber sheets for the acoustic purpose. Here now I am taking you with the type of ceilings, and this will help you. I will incorporate some images which will help you to understand what kind of ceilings we are talking about. So there are multiple types of ceilings. Gypsum ceiling. Gypsum is very basic, and mostly it is used every house or office, everywhere we use 99.99% gypsum ceiling. So this image will definitely explains you what kind of gypsum ceiling. It comes in the sheet form, and they are larger in the size. On the aluminum frame we can fix this gypsum ceiling, and it is very fast to install. Instead of going for conventional way of plaster of Paris sheet, we can use this gypsum ceiling. Second is wooden ceiling. We have multiple options in wooden ceiling. Wooden ceiling, either I can create a rafters of wooden on the ceiling, or I can create completely a vineyard effect on the ceiling. And wooden ceiling helps me if I have to hang the lights also, hanging lights. This helps me a lot. Third thing is we have used n number of places mirror on the ceiling, and that works very well. Either we can have a frosted mirror, or otherwise we can have a back painted glass, or otherwise we can have a regular mirror, which can be smoke mirror or bronze mirror, any clear mirror. It gives a good impact of height. Leather paneling also we do many times on the ceiling, but not the entire ceiling, certain part of it. Maybe if I create the coffer, and in that area we can use leather paneling. Wallpaper, it works extremely well. As I have earlier also said, wallpaper is no more only wallpaper, it is wall covering as well. So this works very well. When we use variety of the wallpaper, you don't need to really create any texture in paint. The wallpaper itself has got lot of textures in it, and it gives very absolutely dramatic look to the ceiling. Of course, the same wallpaper can be run from the wall to the ceiling depending upon your detailing and the proportion, but I strongly go for wallpaper. Then marble and stones. Yes, Marble and stones also we have used, and we are even now also we are using for the ceiling. Either I can run the band four sides of the room in marble, or maybe the center part of the ceiling I can use the marble. Depending upon the overall concept of the room, we can really work as a back also. We can use marble behind the bed, and then it goes partly on the ceiling also, and that looks very elegant. It adds a great feature to room. We can use some exotic marble for the ceiling. ACP, that is aluminum composite panel, which is again very important. When I use aluminum composite panel, generally I use mainly for kitchen and bathrooms. And why in kitchen and bathroom? In today's time we get fire retardant aluminum composite panel, which is commonly known as ACP. This becomes very easy to maintain because of the fumes and steams. Ceiling gets dirty. You start seeing the patches on the ceiling, especially where the cooking area is. Aluminum composite panel advantage is that it is washable. Even in future, when you renovate the entire house or you repaint the entire house, you don't need to invite your painter to paint the ceiling, because kitchen is the most difficult area to manage. Same thing goes with the bathroom. So bathroom also we generally prefer to use aluminum composite panel. Then of course stretch ceiling. In today's time we use a lot stretch ceiling. You have multiple LEDs inside the ceiling. It gives you completely impact of good light, like a daylight kind of thing, as if you are looking at the sky. And on that stretch ceiling you can create multiple image. Whichever image is there in your mind, you can develop there. You can create the sky, you can create some skyline, and that looks very elegant. So this image also can help you to understand what is stretch ceiling is about. Metal ceiling. Metal ceiling is not only restricted to the showrooms and commercial premises. We have used metal ceiling even in kitchen, and it looks very elegant. Again, my main intention is to make it maintenance free, and metal ceiling goes very well. You can get it in multiple finishes, glossy and matte finish also, or brushed steel kind of look, and it looks absolutely stunning. The mineral fiber ceiling. Mineral fiber ceiling is very important, especially for acoustic purpose. Like in the home theater, we can surely use mineral fiber ceiling, and this comes in variety of colors. It comes in the sheet form. You can give any shape to it. You can use all multiple colors, and it looks absolutely stunning. You don't really need to paint at all, and it is very easy to maintain as well. So this is about mineral fiber ceiling. Now there is another area which I would like to reflect is sky mural. This complements very well to our false ceiling, and it works well when we have a real good height. The chandelier also plays very important role. If we have a real good height, chandeliers it helps to enhance our ceiling. So I suggest we have to consciously plan our ceiling, consciously give shape to our ceiling, create the levels accordingly, and make ceiling more beautiful and more elegant, which will help to make your house into home. Friends, hope all these my tips are really helping you a lot, and as I have told you before also, I am assuring you, when you design your house, if you go through all my design cookies, it is going to add some value to your home. Thank you very much once again for joining for Design Cookie. See you again next week, that is Saturday at 4 p.m. with one more interesting design cookie. Meanwhile, if you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask me. Definitely I will revert back, and we will try to sort out your queries. Have a wonderful weekend. See you soon. Thank you so much.